Okay, let's go through the exercise 1. The exercise 1, the template, or actually the questions are on that link. Then after you have finished the exercise, you would then use this return form to return it. And then the deadlines for Frankfurt University Applied Sciences, Metropolis University Applied Sciences students, or anyone on this implementation would be Thursday, April 9, which is the Thursday before the Eastern holidays at the end of the day. So, but you can also return it before. If you return it late, then there will be some penalty on the points. Okay, let's open the exercise 1 to see what is the fundamentals part exercise. Okay, so basically this is about the basics, fundamentals, how to use the design tools. So basic, there are some things like freely downloaded. And then there's the requires registration. I'm not sure of that, if it really requires the registration. If it does, yes, this is unfortunately a compulsory part, since you must have the design toolset. But I think you can also skip the registration and still get the toolset. There is a GDPR statement under the Cypress pages, and they actually are following the GDPR rules on their registered users. So they have actually it's the privacy statement. It's American company, but they also want to make some business in Europe. So I think they are following also our rules. Okay, and then there is recommended that you would make your own laboratory notes. Yes, of course, keep pen and paper next to you. That's just a good habit to make your own notes, since at least for me it helps me thinking when I'm learning something new. I always have a notebook next to me when I'm trying to learn some new things. Okay, and first task. There are some tasks in this each exercise, and from first task 1 to the end, well, task 4, simple word communication, what is today's task? What you would be doing on each exercise, you will be building your solution, starting from the task 1 and continuing to task 4. So you are building it part by part, and actually you will be returning only the end result after the last task. So I'm not interested about if you followed my instructions or not. Okay, it might actually help on the making the solutions, but anyways, it's up to you how you do it. The return, I'm just trying to help you to make everything so that you will be returning a perfect exercise. What is really important is that you would be following these settings, like, okay, connect to a pin, which pin to use. Well, in here, if you don't connect to pin 2.1, you don't see any blue light blinking. So yeah, so that would be a way to see that your design is working overall. But anyways, later on there are some of these external devices. Then it's really crucial that you would be using exactly those pins what I'm advising, since I will be checking those designs so that I have my own hardware connections on my board, and I'm uploading the project what you have done, and then basically run the same code what you have generated in my design. And I don't really care if it worked on your design. If it doesn't work on mine, it's not done. It's not correct. Sorry, that's the way it actually goes. All right, so yeah, so first exercise. First I will show you some things on the PSoC creator. Some little things, basically going through the windows there. Then I will show you how to how I can access the LED blinking or the LED, the blue light. So basically that's a port output or pin output. Then another thing is how to get pin input. So well, that's I and O. And then how to make a simple word communication. So after that, basically you would have a channel for debugging and also accessing the pins and ports. So very fundamental things. The same things that you would be learning on the first lectures or labs of any other microcontroller environment. Okay, so on this video I will be now showing some hints how to use the PSoC creator. So let me first start the PSoC creator. Or actually I will start it over on the next video. I promise to keep this short.